Hi, this is Gary DeBach in Puyallup, Washington, USA, and I'm here to demonstrate this 7.5-inch medium wave loopstick XHDATA D-109 model. This is the newest model from the XHDATA company. What's interesting about this, for a price of about $30 on the stock model here, you can get a pretty competitive AM-DXing portable with an outstanding speaker with enhanced bass response. Everybody that's tried this so far has been amazed at the full range of audio that you get from the stock speaker. For the enhanced model here, it did have a technical challenge. The display on this model does emit a serious level of RFI hash. The way that XHDATA solves this issue in the stock portable is they place the loopstick at the very bottom of the cabinet. But of course I couldn't do this on the enhanced model, so I had to offset the very sensitive loopstick slightly away from the display in order to eliminate the RFI hash. So in the enhanced model it does work very well. For a total cost after the full modification of about $65 US, you can get an extremely competitive AM-DXing portable. As I'll demonstrate here shortly, I have a fringe station that's tuned in on both of the stock model and the enhanced model. 790 KGMI in Bellingham, which is about 170 miles to the north. It's a weak station, and both receivers are going to be trying to get this weak station in daytime DX conditions. Let me see if the stock portable can come up with any kind of signal on this when I max out the volume. Well, I'm listening for all I can, and the only thing I hear is an airplane going over. Let me see if the enhanced model can pull out a signal on this. Okay, I have KGMI here. Can't really say it's that strong. I think it's about S3. I hear a talk program going on, which is the format of KGMI. But let's try a different one. How about 980 CKNW in New Westminster, British Columbia. That is a little bit farther north. A little bit farther north than Bellingham, where KGMI is. But let me punch in 980 on both models. And turn down the enhanced model to see what we get on the stock portable. I do hear signs of life. But I'd be waiting a long time to try to ID that. I hear a man talking about S1, S2. Let's see what the enhanced one can do. I hear him talking insurance company ad. I think this is up to about S5 on the enhanced model. I can understand everything they're saying. So that's my second fringe station. Let me try just one more. The good thing about the D109 is you can just punch in the frequency directly. You don't have to press a frequency button in order to do this. How about 1470? Which is KELA in Centralia, Washington. Turn down the enhanced model here. See what the stock model can do. Okay, 1470 KELA. It's about 5 kilowatts at 70 miles. I've got a talk program going on. I think it's about S2, maybe S3 on peaks. Let me turn it down and see what the enhanced one can do.
And teams that are desperate need a certain position will trade up. So the players that I believe that teams may trade up for could be one of these corners that we didn't talk about Jalen Carter. He's sort of a wild card in terms of he's the best player graded overall for this draft, but he's major off the field concerns.
Okay, I think you can very clearly hear the difference now. This is at an S9 level on the enhanced model. Quite a big boost in AM-DXing signal strength. So let me turn this down and tell you why I have so much fun with this model. This enhanced Loopstick model, it's the ultimate cheap thrill. It's like $65. It is somewhat challenging to do this, but depending upon demand, I may write up a full construction article on this, just like I did for the XHDATA D-808 model. Because with this one, once you get this done, you'll be amazed how much performance you can get for a total price of about $65 US. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.